Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico and I'm back with another video. Today I'm actually back with a huge update about this SpininCash thing, alright? A lot of people were curious to know, was SpininCash legit? Was it real? Was it fake? Well, I'm about to give you a quick rundown, but first I'm gonna ask that if you like my content, please like this video, subscribe, hit the notifications. That lets the algorithm know that your boy is working hard. So we're gonna jump right into it. SpininCash basically promises you that you will make $15 for every person you invite to sign up for SpininCash, plus a $35 sign up bonus. This gives the perception that you can just sit back from home, do nothing, pay nothing, and make boatloads of cash. Now, what a person does when they get in is the exact same. The whole objective is to get paid for signing people up. They boast this screen of fake screenshots of people who were supposedly paid. Now, for most of us who were born at night, but not last night, immediately our scam meter just goes off the charts, just starts beeping. Get paid to sign somebody up for a service that just wants to sign other people up? Yeah, right. I mean, think about it. What company you know has money to virtually give away for sign-ups without a purchase of any kind for anybody? Right. If it sounds too good to be true, it is too good to be true. Okay. When I recorded my video, I had signed up for an account, sent out some referrals, and I just kind of sat back and waited to see what happened. I found a site that reviews scam websites, and I found that 11 out of 11 people on there all said they were supposed to get paid, and they did not get a payout. This was enough for me to know that without a doubt, this was a scam. Until I started getting comments on my video. I mean, they were flooding in, some people defending the service, some people denouncing it from the get-go. One of my viewers even said that they had, sketchy verbiage in their terms and conditions stating that, it says you had to be 99 years or older to collect the payment. Now, I couldn't verify that, but I did go look at the terms and conditions, and I did find that you had to be over the age of 3 years old, yes, a toddler, to participate, which is sketchy by itself. One viewer claimed that she was due to get paid and that she had already been confirmed. However, to this date, she still has not been paid, and I'm gonna keep them anonymous. To add to that, another one of my viewers was also due a payment last week. He commented that he would let us know when his date came, and he did not get his payment either. So I asked him to reach out to me on Instagram, in which he did, just to confirm if he was a real person, number one, and number two, to confirm that he didn't get a payment, and he did not. So in conclusion, I'm gonna just tell y'all like this: if it's too good to be true, it is too good to be true. SpininCash at this point has a 2% chance of not being a scam. And remember, on this channel, we define scams true to the definition, which is a dishonest scheme or a fraud. SpininCash would not be a scam if they told you up front that there's a 90% chance that you will not get paid, okay? Now that you see real people from my channel who viewed this video just like you got scammed, hopefully it can help you be aware. Just here's some tips, all right, to prime that scam meter of yours so that you don't have to wonder next time. Number one, if it's too good to be true, it is too good to be true. Number two, nobody gives away money for nothing in return. And number three, always refer back to number one, all right? So that's gonna wrap it up today, man. It was your boy Rico, and I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on this SpininCash thing, and if it was legit, and it's safe to say that it's not at this point. We're gonna still monitor. That video is still doing well, it's still climbing in views, so hopefully we get more people. But the more and more people that commented, everybody else is seeming to get to that video because they put in the work and they went to refer people, and now it's time for their payout and they're not getting it. So they go to the internet to see, hey, wait a minute, is this even real? And maybe they're coming across my videos. So once again, man, if you have a story with SpininCash and you don't mind me making a video on it, let's get it, man. We can do it. All right. So that's gonna wrap it up today, man. It's your boy Rico. I love everybody out there. Let's get it.